Hello guys, welcome back to another video here on my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can earn passive income from just having this application or the website link on your laptop or on your phone or wherever it is that you have access to internet. And yeah, you just make money just like that, having it on your phone. So basically the name of this app is called Honeygain. As you can see right here, it says Honeygain, and it has different ways by which you can have it on your system. You can have it on your Windows, on your phone, Android, for your Mac OS, or for your Linux. Okay, now you can have it on iPhone, you can have it on Android. That's what it simply means, whichever one that you prefer to have it on. Now I've been running this for quite a bit of time, over a year, over 2 years, and I just want to show you guys what my earnings have been so far. Now you see these are my earnings: 10 Honeygain, 2.21, 10, 2.61, and so forth. Now if I go to payouts, you see it says money sent. This is March 29th, okay, and I withdrew $36, and to be honest with you, I received the $36.77 just 3 days after, which is the actual duration for you to receive your money from this platform. You don't receive it instantly, you receive it 3 days after you've requested a withdrawal. Now, how does Honeygain work? There are two types or two projects here on Honeygain. There is the Honeygain where you just have internet and you let the bees mine for you. Mind you, the earnings that you get differ. That is, you can be in Nigeria, in South Africa, or wherever it is, but if you do not have a stable and a good internet, you won't really make profits. It will take you a longer time for you to make profits. So the faster your internet and the better your earnings. So location also matters in this case. I am currently in Nigeria, so it takes me a bit of time to get to this point. As you can see, I've withdrawn before the $6. Now I'm also on $21 now, and I can request the payout if I want, but I just want to leave it there for now until it gets to the point or the price that I want it to get to before I withdraw. Now that's one, and there's also Jump Task. Now if I click on Jump Task, you see I currently have 1003. Jump Task is actually a token of Honeygain. Okay, so you can choose to mine the crypto token of Honeygain, which is Jump Task, or you just want to mine your real dollar, which is, you just mine real dollar. So you can choose and you can toggle it between Honeygain and Jump Task if you want, right up here. And if you're mining Jump Task, you get about 10% plus for mining in Jump Task, but I prefer to mine Honeygain, and yeah, you can also decide to open another email or create an account with another email address and just do Jump Task separately. Okay, so you're mining Honeygain separately, that's dollar, and you're mining the actual crypto token of Honeygain in another form. Now as you can see here, this is a graphical representation of my earnings each day. Now for each day you log in, you get a bonus. You get a bonus which actually appears right here. It says next pot or available in about 49 minutes for me. So it depends on what time it is and when you actually clicked to receive it. Now today, as you can see, I was actually able to receive 10 Honeygains. Okay, I was able to receive 10 Honeygain, and the more devices you connect to the network, to your Honeygain account, the more you will have, the more earnings you will have rather. I currently have my phone connected, and I have my two PCs, my two laptop connected sometimes. Now they're currently not connected because they are currently on the same network. Now if you're on the same network, sometimes you will see that you're not mining, you're not making any money. and that's because you're on the same network. You need to put them on different networks. So let's say there's about 3 or 4 networks, right, in your location. You can decide to have those. You can decide to have each device connected to its own source of internet. That way your mining will increase rapidly and you will make more money. You will earn so much more just by doing that alone. And you can also earn when you refer your friends and family. As you can see, these are the people I've referred so far, and some of them are actually not mining, or if not all, they are not mining. Some people see it as a waste of time. Some people they don't have the time or the patience to wait for that. But you're literally not doing any work. You're just connecting. You just let your phone, leave the app on your phone. You can close it if you want, but make sure you always have internet, because if there's a cut of internet or there's no internet, you won't earn anything. So you're wondering, okay, what is Honeygain doing for you, or how are they making money for you? Now there are different ways. They simply use your internet for market purposes. They're actually not taking or using your personal information. They don't have access to your personal information to do any other thing other than earn you money, and it is strictly legit, and they've been around for a while. And also you can click, if you see here where it says device actively sharing, this honeybee is showing a green icon on it. It means I'm mining. Now sometimes it will not show the green, neither will it even show you any color. It will just be grayed out. It means you're not making any money at all. And here where the bell is for new informations. Okay, Honeygain information, maybe contest or how you can earn some more credits and the rest. That is where you see the information. So you always see new insights about how you earn or any contest. Now you see Be My Valentine. This was the Valentine contest, and you can earn 50,000 credits. Mind you, 50,000 credits is actually $50. So yeah, that's what it is. As you can see right here, I have $21.47, and my current balance of B is 21,470, which equates to $21. So 1,000 B equals $1 basically. And yeah, and if you refer a friend, you and the friend earn $5 each. Actually, is it each? No, it was reduced because you earn $5 every time a friend pays out. That if they withdraw from their account, they reach the maximum period, you will get $5, and as soon as they register, just by them registering, you get $3, just like that. Easy peasy, right? Okay, so guys, that's it for this section. Now when we go to achievements, there are different ways. It's like getting a medal for doing something. Now these are the challenges that is left for me. I have 3 undone, and these are my rewards from the previous ones. These are my medals so far. And streaks, yeah, I did it 30. I got 30 days in a row, like that is logging in all through for 30 days. And yeah, there are different ways by which you can earn on this platform. But yeah, the easier way is just to have internet on your phone and just leave it lying down in your room or somewhere in the sitting room, and just make sure you have internet and you're good to go, as long as the internet is fast. So guys, if you like contents like this and you wanna make passive income like this, or you want to have more information on how you can make passive income in the future, please like and subscribe to my channel to show your support. It will really be a good thing for me. Thank you very much. See you guys in the next video, and goodbye.